All right, welcome back. Okay, so we've got the 4K Chinese camera over here, and we have our GoPro 4K over here, which neither one of them are recording in 4K. I'm recording in 1080p. Right now, we're using the Chinese one as the major and the GoPro to do like all our zoom shots. But I think once I get some adapters, we're gonna go exclusively with the GoPro footage, because I think that camera and everything's a lot better what we're doing. All right, so today we've got our 2004 Chevrolet Suburban, and we're doing gauge cluster repair, and then the Hydroboost is leaking, so we have to replace that. I've got the parts, and I'm going to show you guys, pretty much how to tear it down. To give you an overview, you got to take off the master cylinder, move it out of the way, and then it's almost like a vacuum brake booster, except for now you have all these extra hydraulic lines on there from the power steering wheel. So you got to remove the power steering lines and then remove the assembly from the firewall, which entails disconnecting all the linkage and everything underneath. All right, let's get to it. All right, so first thing we got to do is take our brake master cylinder off. So you've got a nut here, and you have a nut there, and they both look like 9/16, and the bracket looks like it comes with it. And it is not 9/16. 5/8. It's not 5/8. I'm betting 15 now. Okay. 15 mil nut here, 15 mil nut there, and then the brake master cylinder will come off. Okay, now we got that. That comes off like that. And you can see all the power steering fluid that's inside. So it's leaking from a seal inside here, and it's leaking out this weep hole at the bottom. And that's our issue. Alright, so these lines are flexible right here, and they're flexible down there. So this can be moved without damaging any of your power lines. Alright, so now we got, looks like a return, and then, so I'm guessing this is the pressure line from the pump, and goes into our Hydroboost and then out, and this goes to the steering gearbox. It's probably like a relief valve or something in there. Okay, so let's get these lines off, and then we'll work on taking it apart from the inside. So these are 18 millimeter. This one is. The other one looks like I did wash this before I started. Okay, so 18 here, 5/8 here, or 16 mil. Make sure you don't lose the O-rings. The kit should come with new ones, but if it doesn't, or you damage one, sometimes you can reuse it if you have to. There are 4 nuts. I'm going to try and get you the best angle I can. So there's one here, and these are 5/8. There's one behind this bracket here, and then if you look above, there's one above. Can you see that? up there, and then directly across the other side you have your last one. So you get those 4 out, and then you have this clip that is attached, that attaches the arm. We're trying to get this clip off, so I got 2 picks, and I'm pretty sure I can just stick it in there and then rotate it off. Oh, that's so close. Let's see if we can get you guys a better angle. Up. No. Up. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. And then just push this right here. Oh, we'll probably have to rotate it, because we're pushing against the... Ah! Do it again. Okay. So, stick this in there, rotate up, and then push it. And look at that. We're almost... There it goes. Okay, so see how it is? Right? Lift this up, slide it off, and now we can get our arm and everything off. Looks like the whole switch and everything's coming with it, so let's unplug. Come on now. Push. Alright, let's use our tools that we have handy. Unplug that. And then this should all come off the stud. There we go. Alright, now let's take off our nuts holding on. Hydroboost. Did I say that? Yeah. 5/8. Alright. We don't need to watch this. The nut felt kind of loose when I was taking it off, and I determined that it is a 15 millimeter, not a 5/8 or 16. So 15 millimeter, we'll get those puppies right off. Okay. All the nuts are off, and our rod is off. Yes. So we'll show. Come right out. Okay. Now let's compare this. Okay. Okay, first glance, they look to be the same. All right, this is there, we're good. Push rod's there. Push rod is there. Is it the same distance? Yes. Okay. And there's our little helper. Say hi to YouTube. We don't know where CJ's at. All right. Leave those on. I'll take them off when I get ready to put this in. Just grab this and throw it on, right? Now I'm gonna have to select yes or kids in this video. Hey, get out of there. Okay. Now we'll go on the inside and tighten everything up. Oh, what was that? Sticker? Jesus. Okay. Alright, so we lost that. That's gotta go back on. So you guys might be able to see what the heck is going on. Okay. Here's our rod. Here's our switch. So this has to go around the rod, and they both have to go around the stud. Oh, I didn't measure the length. Oh wait, no, I just need to move this. There should be no. Oh no! Camera fail. Hang out right there. Okay. There should be no measuring. There's no adjustability. In. Push. Right. Oh my goodness. Completely missed the mark. Look, it's slotted, goofball. Just put this on. Put that on. Leave you some room. Slot it on the back. And slide it over. Don't break it on the way. Okay. That's on. Clip. Oops. The clip, we should just be able to slide that puppy right on there, right? Bam! Clipped on. Hopefully you can see that. Right? Plug her in. And then let's get our nuts back on, and then we can go back under the hood. Okay, you don't need to see this. Alright, inside's all tightened up. So now, let's get these guys installed. I wonder if we should read the instructions. Okay, so I got new O-rings right here. So let's put those on. Okay, there's one there. Of course I cut my nails today, so I can't get anything off. Make sure we got enough fluid on there to lube your O-rings. Installation. Okay. Okay. That's in there. So 18 on top, right? And then we'll do our bracket. These are 15mm. Alright, let's read the instructions. Now we got it all put together. Attention, master cylinder push rod spring must be reused from the original hydro booster. It already had one in there. What? So why would I reuse it? It was already there. Alright, so now we just gotta bleed it. Bleed the system. Let's get some of that power steering fluid in there. See if you can't make a mess. My brand new shop floor. Okay. Start this bad boy up. Alright, I'm just turning the steering wheel back and forth. Of course, nothing seems to be moving. I'm going to do lock to lock. No movement. There we go. I was pressing the brakes. Alright, we'll do a couple of test drives. Okay, so she's done. It was a pretty easy job. Took maybe what, 2 hours, and that's because we had a reman unit that had all the pieces there and everything matched up. So sometimes it's not that easy. This time it was. Okay, thanks for watching.